Hey everybody, this is Tracy with Tracy's World, and today we will be making another SoBarRistic drink. Listen, get your pen and paper ready, go ahead and write down these ingredients, and you too can make a SoBarRistic drink from your own home.
Today's SoBarRistic drink is the Blackberry Mojito.
So today we will be making a Blackberry Mojito, and I'm so excited about this drink. I love mint. I love peppermint, spearmint, wintergreen. I am a lover of everything mint, minty. So I'm really excited about this drink. And we're going to use about 10 mint leaves. We're going to use about 10 blackberries. We're going to use some ice. We're going to use some Seedlip. Seedlip, if I'm saying it right, is a non-alcoholic beverage that you can substitute for the use of alcohol, and it is all, botanical basically. So let's just go ahead and get started. So let me give you a little time to go ahead and turn on those notifications. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, and please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and get started.
We have our Seedlip, which I bought at Benny's. You can also get it on Amazon. We have our lime. We have our mint bitters, which I also bought at Benny's. And of course, we have our LaCroix. This is the Keylime. This is actually my favorite, sparkling water. And we have some blackberries. We also have some mint leaves, and we have some ice. And not pictured is the lemon juice as well. All right, so we're going to take the mint leaves and we're going to put it in the pitcher with the blackberries. And I don't really know how many mint leaves. You kind of use it according to taste. Initially I counted out about 10, and then I added another maybe 5, so I probably got like 15 mint leaves in there. I love mint, so you kind of do it according to your taste. And we're just gonna smash it all up, get it mixed really well, and we're gonna make sure that we press down on the berries, so that we really get a good mix. And of course, you want to make sure that you are really smashing down the mint leaves until it is all mixed. Now I'm going to take a few dabs of the mint bitters. Now this again is according to taste. I like a very minty drink, but I start with about 3 dashes. Then I may add more as I go along, but yeah, make 3 or 4 dashes of the mint bitters. And now we're going to continue to make sure that we have everything mixed, and any berries that I see that are not smashed and muddled very well, I'm going to continue to do that with those berries. Now we're going to add some lemon juice. Again, I kind of do it according to taste. So I'm just going to pretty much do a couple of squirts of lemon juice in there. I think I did about 3, so that's pretty much all you need. You don't want to get it you don't want to use too much lemon juice because we're also using the LaCroix sparkling water, so we don't want to have more lime taste than mint. We kind of want to make it, real subtle. Alright, so now I'm going to add the Seedlip. I've never really used this before until today. So that's a cup. half cup, and I'm actually not going to use a full half cup, so I'm probably using about a third, maybe even a little less, maybe less than that. So again, according to your taste. And now I'm going to put a can of LaCroix in there. Oh wow, look at that. It looks so good. I cannot wait to taste this. I really cannot wait to taste this. So we're just gonna give it, you know, a little bit of a stir, make sure everything is mixed up. As you can see, the berries are mixed very well. So we're just gonna mix up everything. I'm adding a couple of more dashes of the mint bitters. Again, I like mint. And I'm just stirring, making sure everything is mixed well. Okay, so now we have the lime. We're going to cut the lime, and we're going to use the lime. We're not going to squeeze it or anything, but we're just going to cut a slice of lime, and we're going to use that with the garnishments. Okay, so once you cut the lime, you'll be able to take the mint leaf and stick it in like the center of the lime, and that's gonna hold it. So we'll get back to that. So let me go ahead and put the ice. I also love ice. Now if you're an ice lover like me, let me know. I love me some like really good ice. I think Chick-fil-A has the best ice in the world. All right, so we're gonna pour it up. Ooh, that looks so good right now. Get some of that goodness in there that's at the bottom. And if you're making more for more people, of course you'll use more. Now that's that lime that we had. We're gonna stick the mint leaf in the middle, and we're just gonna drop it in there in the drink, and then just adjust it accordingly. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And you see the berry. Oh my god, that's so, oh, I can't wait to drink it. This is just a close-up so you guys can see the mint leaves and the berries kind of floating through there. It just looks so good. Oh my goodness. You guys see that? All that goodness in that drink is, oh, I'm so excited.
Okay, now is the time to taste our creation. As you can see, we did a little garnishing with the lime and the mint leaf sticking in the lime. I don't know if you guys can see it really good, but here it is. Alright, so now we're going to taste it. This is really good. It's really refreshing. It is not super sweet. It is very minty, like mojitos are. I taste the lime a little bit, but it's not overpowering. It kind of mixes well with everything. So it tastes really good. It's really refreshing. Oh, that's really good. This is really good. The blackberries give it, of course, makes it, you know, give it that little tang of sweetness, but it's not real sweet at all. And it's very refreshing. I love mints. I love it. Really good. And you don't have to use the LaCroix key lime for this. You could actually use club soda, seltzer water, tonic, whatever you want to use, but this is really good. It's really, wow. Wow. Another SoBarRistic drink. Cheers. It is so good. This is SoBarRistic, okay? Yes. Whew. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's drink. please make sure that you stop by our Instagram page, which is SoBarRistic, SoBarRistic, and share your photo. Tag us in your photos of your Blackberry Mojito or the last drink we made, which was a limeberry. So tag us in your photos and let us see what you came up with. And again, you can always add whatever you want to your drink. You can always manipulate your drink according to your taste, according to what you like. If you want to add alcohol, substitute what we use as an alternative, and you can put the real thing in there if you want to. But we make all of our drinks SoBarRistic so that everyone can enjoy. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you really enjoyed today. I hope you enjoyed the drink. I hope you can add this to your list of things to serve at your parties, in your events as an alternative for those that don't drink. Because there are some of us out there that just don't drink and we want to have fun too. We want to mingle, we want to socialize. So that is the purpose for this channel, is to just bring you some really tasty drinks that you can make right at home. They don't take a lot of, it's not a lot in the recipes, it's not like overwhelming. So it's something that everyone can make and enjoy. Okay, so listen, you guys, make them SoBarRistic drinks, tag us, let us know how it tasted, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you turn on those notifications. Make sure you comment and let us know that you are enjoying this channel. If you have any suggestions for drinks that you would like us to make, or you have any drinks that you've made that you would like for us to try, we'll be happy to do that. So make sure you comment, okay? As always, go out, be great today. Whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out and do it and be great today, okay? This has been your soberologist, Tracy, with Tracy's World, and we are always here to bring you something SoBarRistic.